Hi, this video will give you an overview of the Timesheets feature within Collaborate Online. First of all, I'm going to log in with my own username and password. And immediately the system's going to show me the folders or projects that I have permission to view. If I click on the Tesco project first of all, we can see that we've got a new Timesheets tab. And clicking in there, I've had a task pre-assigned to me and I can now enter hours against this task for this job. I'm going to enter some time for the previous week, so maybe we're going to complete a timesheet something like this and click Save. That timesheet will now be recorded against the job with all the associated costs. I can click on to the next job we have on there, again to the timesheet tab, again to the previous week, and perhaps enter some time on a couple of these tasks. Click Save again. Moving on to the next job we have in the system, we can see that I haven't actually got a pre-allocated task for me in this job. But if you give your user the right permissions, they can add their own entries, effectively creating the timesheets from scratch. Click Save and the timesheet is saved. Now another way that users can enter the time against individual projects is from this option at the bottom of the left-hand navigation bar, Timesheets. Here they can enter their timesheets across all the different jobs that they've worked on in any particular week just from one easy to use screen. So if we start with our Tesco projects, I can enter some hours against there and click Save. I can move on to enter some time against the Manor Road project, and so on through the week. Moving on to the last project maybe, entering some time in here. Now any user can print or export his timesheet at any time, and administrators have the ability to print or export timesheets from any or all users. Let's go on and have a look at the administrator functions. So looking at the administrator functions, here we've logged in as Jim Smith, the system administrator, and when Jim clicks on the Tesco project timesheets tab, he can actually see all of the tasks that have been assigned for that project at any particular time, and he also has a total of the project hours to date and a total of the project cost to date. If we browse into previous weeks, we can see the individual hours that have been entered in this week and in previous weeks. Now a couple of other things to notice. Firstly, that administrators have the ability to edit hours, so if anyone wants to see a timesheet correction or adjustment, they can do that quite simply from the administrator screens. Also, admins can print or export any users or groups of users timesheets. So for example, I could not select a user but just select a project, say the Tesco project, from say the 1st of January, and then click on print, and I'll get a print of all of the time that has been spent on the project throughout the month of January. I'm just going to print here to the screen using Acrobat Distiller. Here you can see a simple snapshot of the timesheets of all the time spent on that particular project for that week. I can print timesheets for individual users, I can print timesheets for individual jobs, and I can select across any date range. Now in addition to that print function, administrators also have the ability to export any of that timesheet data. They can again export for individual users or for all users, all jobs across any specific date range. The export is in a spreadsheet-friendly CSV format or comma-separated variable, and that's suitable for import or export into a variety of third-party applications, billing systems and accounting systems and whatever. There's plenty more information about timesheets on the website and some more help videos going into the process in more detail. Please feel free to have a look at them there or call us if you like any further information. Thank you.